Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans, yeah. And also, I got something from out in the wild, and my boy Gloucester Township Wolves gave me. This link will be down in the description down below, his YouTube channel. And I also got a box from Whatnot. If you guessed it, Junior from Whatnot. His link will be down below in the description. And I tell you what, Junior, if there's packing peanuts in here, I'm going to return it so you can return it back to me without packing peanuts. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay. First, I want to get the one out of the wild out of the way, from out in the wild. Rag Rider Rig. This completes the set with the Optimus Prime, Fuel on Fire, Speed Hauler, Volvo 240 Drift Camper, and the Semi Roger Dodger. This completes the set. I found this over the weekend. Yeah, buddy. Today is, I forget what today's date is. Oh, crap. Today is the 6th of February. I got this Sunday. And, this is pretty cool. Alright, now let me get to the things my buddy Gloucester Township Wolves got me. Turbulence Tug. This is a airplane. He said it was a helicopter, but it's an airplane. Oh shoot. Heh. Guess who's having a muted video? Because I forgot to turn the radio down. This guy. This is pretty cool. What kind of car is with this? It's a little cracked open underneath. That's alright. That's pretty cool. I like that. And I also found this at my Dollar General. This is going to my cousin because I already have this. I have the complete set now that I got the Rag Rider Hauler. So that's going to my cousin. And here we go for another one I got from my buddy. This is the Carnival Steamer. Carnival Steamer. This is pretty cool too. I like that. Is there a car? Yes, there's a car with that one. Alright, everybody. Now, let's get to this one. Junior! There better not be any packing peanuts. I'll send it back to sender. Alright, I'm sending this back. Gotcha. Alright, everybody. Now, let's get these horrible packing peanuts out of the way. No! Don't be falling in my car, you son of a biscuit. Alright, let's get to the givey. This, Toyota Tacoma Matchbox. It's a very nice Pickup. Toyota official licensed product. It's nice. Very nice, I like that. That's the giveaway. And remember, Junior's link will be down below. For what? So you can sign up and watch the stream. And I'll add my stream too, because so you can sign up, you can get a $10 in-app credit. Oh yeah. Alright, here we go. There's a 1962 Dodge D100 long bed. It's a green. Oh, that's freaking sexy. I like that front. Oh my god. D100 long bed with toolbox. See? That's pretty cool. I like that. Running on empty. Series 2. Oh, nice. Who likes some monster trucks, some King Crunch? That's a cool looking truck. I like that. Some King Crunch. Oh yeah. The Enforcer. That's the name of the truck. I remember that truck from back in the day. Now, today, well, back in the day, it was all rigged to where Bigfoot would always win. Now, today is either Gravedigger, Maximum Destruction, or Son of Gravedigger. It's all rigged for them three to win. Sucks because there's a lot of pretty awesome potential monster trucks out there, like Monster Mutt, El Toro Loco. They're all amazing trucks, but it's all rigged to where those other three win all the time. Like I said, back in the day, it was either the Equalizer, Bigfoot, Barefoot, or was it Bloodfoot? The Executioner. I think I said that already. Carolina Crusher. You know, those are all great trucks, and like I said, the judges had their favorites to where it's always rigged. So, alright, that means thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, subscribe. Have a good day. Peace!